Now, our motto, first of all, read the question. Find out interaction force between 3 kg and 2 kg block if inclined plane surface are smooth. If this surface are smooth, then our motto determine interaction force between 3 kg and 2 kg block. Okay, and inclined angle is how much? 37 degree, and this one is an inclined plane, and 10 Newton here and 10 Newton here. Okay, both equal force and opposite direction. So how can we determine interaction force between 3 kg and 2 kg block? So first of all, make free body diagram of 3 kg block, and after that make 2 kg block. Okay, now look here, that is 3 kg block. Okay, interaction force, sorry, external force 10 Newton, like that one. Okay, now 2 kg on 3 kg block, suppose that force is F, like that one. Okay, and after that mg act on downward direction, that is 3g. Component of 3g along x-axis, along inclined plane, that is how much? 3g. This one is 37, so 3g sine 37, and here 3g cos 37 degree. Okay, I hope so clear. And now look here, here 10 Newton, here F, and here 3g sine 37. And if g this be equal to 10, so 3 into 10 sine 37 is how much? 0.6. So 3 into 6, that is 18 Newton. Okay, now in this direction, that is 3 kg. In this direction, total force is how much? 18 Newton plus F. So according to Newton's second law, 18 plus F minus 10, this will be equal to 3 into A, equation number 1. Okay, now if make free body diagram of 2 kg block, 10 Newton force, okay, mg 2g downward, and that one is 37, and that one is written 2g sine 37. Okay, and 3 kg block on 2 kg apply force according to Newton's third law. Okay, 3 kg on 2 kg how much? F, then 2 kg also apply on 3 kg F force. So like that one. Okay, I hope so clear. Motion allow only in which direction? Downward. Okay, that one how much? 2g 10 into 0.6, so 20 into 0.6, that is 12. Okay, 12 Newton, and 10 plus 12, that is 22. 22 minus F, this will be equal to how much? 2 into A. Okay, now so written here 22 minus F, this will be equal to 2A, equation number 2. If 1 and 2 both are adding, then FF cancel. 18 minus 10, that is 8. 8 plus 20, 22, that is how much? 30. So this is, that one is 5A, this will be equal to 30. So A, this will be equal to how much? 6 meter per second square. But our target is, what about F? So 22 minus F, this will be equal to 2A. So F, this will be equal to 22 minus 2 into 6. So that is how much? F, this will be equal to 10 Newton. F, this will be equal to 10 Newton. Okay, so you can say that 3 kg on 2 kg block is how much? 10 Newton, or 2 kg block on 3 kg. 2 kg block apply force on 3 kg, how much? 10 Newton. So 10 Newton is the right answer. Make it.